Hello students, today I'm going to talk to you about inequalities. I'm going to talk about writing inequalities and graphing inequalities. An inequality is a statement that informs us whether something is greater than or less than a specific value. We're going to use these 5 different symbols to represent our situations. The first one says is not equal to. I could use this symbol to represent my age A is not equal to 20. That means I am definitely not 20 years old. The next one, less than. Let's say the temperature today was less than 70 degrees. That means that it wasn't 70, but it was something less than 70, like 69 or 68 or 65. Less than or equal to. Now notice this symbol, it has an extra little line under it. So that means less than or equal to 70. If I said that the temperature T was less than or equal to 70 degrees today, it would mean that it could have been 70 degrees, or it definitely was 70 degrees, or it could have been something under 70 degrees. All right, greater than. Let's say your height, H, is greater than 48 inches. That means you are taller than 48 inches. You could be 49 inches, you could be 50 inches, you could be 48.5 inches. Now, greater than or equal to, if we add that extra little symbol there, that means that the height is greater than or equal to 48 inches. When you go to amusement parks, a lot of times the rides, like the roller coasters have a sign that says you have to be a minimum age of 48 inches. I could use this inequality to represent that situation. Your height has to be greater than or equal to 48 inches. So if you're 48 inches, you can go on that roller coaster, or if you're taller, you can go on that roller coaster. All right, let's look at a couple of examples on how to write inequalities from situations. In this first problem, it says Jared is working on a project. He must complete the project in less than 40 days. So let's choose D to be our variable. D is going to represent the number of days. 40, I saw 40 in the problem. I'm going to write 40. Now I'm going to go back and read it. He must complete the project in less than. So I'm going to put a less than symbol. The number of days, D, must be less than 40. All right, let's look at the speed limit side. Write an inequality equation for the speed limit shown below. So the speed limit is 25. So let's have S equal my speed that I can legally travel. The limit is 25. So my speed, if I'm going to drive at a legal speed limit, must be less than 25. But if I'm going 25 miles an hour, I would also be driving within the legal speed limit, so I'm going to use the less than or equal sign in that case. So that's how you write inequalities. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is graphing inequalities.